Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Leo and this is Joy and we live in sunny Singapore.
For those of you who don't know, Leo was originally from Mexico City, but he moved to Singapore in the name of love. Usually when I tell people here that my husband is Mexican, they understandably get really curious because Mexicans are kinda exotic in this part of the world. And one question that we get asked most often is,
do Mexicans really eat tacos every day?
And our answer is...
No.
But we do wish we could though. However, when we feel like we deserve a treat, this is how we do it.
To make tacos, you need tortillas. There are generally two types of tortillas, flat tortillas and corn tortillas. We are making corn tortillas today, which is what you will find most often in Mexico and is a staple in all Mexican households. While you can easily buy ready-made corn tortillas in Mexico, it's not easy to find them here. But that's not a problem because we are about to show you how we make them at home. You really only need 3 ingredients: masa, salt, and warm water. We get our masa from our local supermarket, cold storage.
Add the water to the masa a little at a time. Using your hands, mix and knead until the water has been absorbed. You know it's ready when the dough has a uniform texture and can be formed into a ball.
So this is the ball.
Form little balls of dough, aiming for about the size of a golf ball. Flatten them slightly and press down using a tortilla press. To prevent sticking, you need to make sure that this is done between 2 plastic sheets made from a freezer bag. Now, this isn't something I've invented. It's a best practice adopted from Mexican moms. Place your tortilla on a pan to cook. Medium heat will do. Knowing when it's ready is an art more than a science because the cooking time does vary depending on how thick your tortilla is and how hot your pan is. So just eyeball it, and when you see brown spots start to form and it starts to puff up, you know it's cooked. When it's done, wrap it up in a cloth, or if you have one, put it in a tortilla warmer. Alright guys, so now we're done with all our tortillas. Look at this. We can now move on to make the filling. Every taco needs a good filling. Some of the most succulent tacos you will ever eat in Mexico are filled with carnitas. Carnitas are made with various cuts of pork, most popular being the pork shoulder or pork butt. But at dedicated carnitas shops, you will find all parts of the pig being used. Since pork fat is a huge component in making this dish delicious, I've also included some pork belly. Every household probably has their own recipe, but I'll show you how I like to prepare it at home. After rinsing and drying the meat, I season it generously with salt, pepper, dried oregano, and cumin. For a faster cook and great results every time, I place the pork in a pressure cooker and top it with diced onion, minced garlic, and a secret ingredient, orange juice. You could use freshly squeezed or pre-packaged. The outcome is equally delicious. Cook at high pressure for 90 minutes. When it's done, the meat should be tender enough to shred with 2 forks. Be sure not to throw the remaining liquid away too. Instead, reduce it to about 2 cups and set aside. When you're ready to serve, Heat up a pan and spread your shredded pork in the pan. Drizzle some of the juices you saved earlier. Now, you wait until the bottom side is golden brown. You may be tempted to touch it, but you must be patient and allow all the crisping to happen. When it's done, turn it around and briefly sear on the other side. Brief is the key word here, because you do want to retain those tender, juicy bits. Repeat in batches and do not overcrowd the pan. While carnitas are delicious just like that, a simple but effective way to round off the dish is to top it with some pico de gallo. Leo will show you how to make some right now.
Believe me when I tell you that it's easy to make pico de gallo. It's so easy that Joy has entrusted me to do it, so I know you can do it too. You only need 5 ingredients: ripe red tomatoes, onion, cilantro, lime, and salt. If you like spice, you can add jalapenos too. But since we don't have any, we will be making a non-spicy version. All you have to do is finely chop your ingredients. Then add them into a mixing bowl with lime juice and salt. And gently mix until everything is well coated. Remember to taste it and make sure that it's seasoned to your liking. You can eat it immediately, but we recommend putting it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to enhance the flavors.
So now that we've shown you everything that you need to know, there's only one last thing left to do, and that is to serve everything up and enjoy some tacos with your favorite people. Look, even Leo is ready for the night.
Yeah, and if you enjoyed this video and you would like to learn more Mexican recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye guys! See you on next video!